Hey guys, today we are going to see about how to display date and time in Dialog Box. So that I'm taking in Visual Studios 2008 I'm using. So here I'm taking a new project. MFC application. Date and time. Okay. Click on next. Select a dialog based application. And next. Uncheck about box. Next. Okay. Next. Okay, dialog and application view classes and click on finish. So here I am designing the frame window. Open toolbox, pin it here, and here I am taking static text for name. And to display date, I'm using edit control. And date will display here in this edit box. And for time, repeat the same static text. Time. And I'm going to take an edit control to display time. I'm taking the same length here. Okay, looking good. Again I'm adjusting the size here. Okay. Save it, build and run. So I'm going to see how it looks like. Okay, build succeeded and debug. Okay, edit controls are working fine. Okay, so next step I'm going to do is go to properties, pin it here, click on edit control. So here I am, where it is, disabling the edit box because no one is going to change the date and time manually. So where is this disable option? Upper, lower, left, and borders. Yeah, here it is. By default it is false. Make it as true. Yeah, here you can see the change. I'll repeat the same. True. uh, After that we need to remove these borders also, so that it looks good. So click on borders. By default it is true, make it as false. Okay, and this is also false. So save it, build. Okay, run it. So date and time, okay, here you can see the change here. Okay, Then after unpin here, we need to give a variable name to this date, so that we are going to display that date. Okay, it is string type, so date is string type. Give a valid name, date, click on finish. And for time also, give a variable name, value type, and its name is time. Click on finish. So once if you go to code, uh, once build it, debug, start with the debug. We are doing this, we are going to display the date and time of after dialog box is displayed, uh, at the time of displaying dialog box, so that we are going to handle it on pay on paint. So at the time of creating dialog opening dialog box, the handler will call here. So here I'm going to write the code. Update data true. This is controls two variables, and then we are going to change the date. We are going to display the date. So date, here we have a predefined to display the date, so it is going to display the date. And again we need to transfer the data to variables to controls. Okay, meanwhile we are changing the data here, so that okay, this date, what we have given the variable name. So here it is the date, and it is string type, and this is value type, date. Okay, if you have if you are going to see, suppose I'm writing the test case, message box, test purpose. So here I'm commenting compile. What is this error? Okay, debug, start with, oh shit, start without debugging. Okay, after dialog box displayed, immediately this message box is called. So so we are writing the code, we are going to display the date and time after dialog box is opened. So I think you have understood this test case. Okay, it won't close, so click on Ctrl Alt Delete, go to task manager. Actually we need to close it actually. Okay, date and time, end it. I think we need to close this one. Close all windows. Mhm. Why this happening? Because every time if you are going to handle anything on paint, it will refresh multiple times. So we need to crash the application is crashed right now. So kill this and end this task. Okay. uh, Comment this one and uncomment this 3. Okay, so build it. Okay, here you can see the date. I think we need to wait a second. Go to .rc dialog based, little slide down. Okay, now it is fine. Go to code again and display the time. Two underscores time and compile it, run it. Okay, here you can see the date and time here. I think looking fine. Today's date is 23rd November 2022 and the time is 23:24. So yeah, it will take the time. It will take the current time and it won't run over here. It took the time at 23, 24, 21 seconds. So it will take the time and display the same here. One click on OK. And here I am going to change the taskbar icon here. So by default it is uh, Visual Studio's icon. So here I am going to change the icon as time icon. So open containing folder here, go to resource folder and sorry, click on resource file. Right, okay, you need to delete this default this is actually ICO file. Here I am going to remove this ICO file. This is the image JPEG image I have downloaded from Google. So I have converted this JPEG image to ICO and so copy this ICO file and paste it over here. uh, it won't allow JPEG files, it will allow only ICO files. You need to take care of that. And okay, sorry, once you open the file again, you need to copy this name. Don't type manually. So here I'm going to display that icon here itself. So go to .rc, click on .rc file, you go to view code and click on yes. So search for ICO here, icon. So here it is, icon. You need to change this name into whatever we have pasted here, copied over there. You need to paste it here, save it, build it and run. So here you can see the icon image changed here and in taskbar meanwhile. So, so this is what I'm going to explain you. So guys, if you want any other programs in MFC, please mention in comments. So thank you very much for watching.